So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Snapchat. You have reached your limit of friend request. Wait, reset and send again. So fix one is cancel unaccepted request. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon, then tap on add friend. Tap the three dot in the top right corner, then select ignored from added me or looked for send request. Find user showing requested and tap to cancel the invite. Second fix is sync your phone contact. Go to your Snapchat setting, then scroll down and tap contact. Turn on sync contact, then go back to your add friend and only add people from the all contact tab. Third fix is force reset the session. Go to Snapchat setting and scroll to the bottom, then tap on logout. Close the Snapchat app completely from the multitasking view, then turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your IP address. Open Snapchat and log back in. Try adding just one friend. Fourth fix is the 24-hour cooldown. Avoid adding new contact for a full 24 hours, then each failed attempt to add reset to 24-hour timer. Continue using the app for sending snaps and text. Regular app usage helps the algorithm recognize you as a real human, not a bot. Thanks for watching.